Do you need to update your shipping address on Alibaba? In this video, I will show you how to change your delivery address on Alibaba step by step so your orders are delivered to the correct location without any issues. Updating your address is quick and important if you move, make a mistake during checkout, or want to send an order to a different place. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Alibaba app. As you see here, we will enter again. Then here in this first page, we will skip this ad. Then you will find this sign of profile, my Alibaba here. So you will click on this sign of profile. After that, here in this page, you will find this sign on the bottom here of settings. So you will tap on settings, and then in this page you will find here deliver to, and then here you will find your country and region. So you will choose your location or your region to deliver to on Alibaba. Let's choose anything here like this, and then you will add your postal code or zip code here, and when you add it, you will click on confirm. Then you can know, or you can be able to change your location address delivering on Alibaba in easy way. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.